Welcome to our exploration of the top 10 cities in India ranked by cost of living, starting with the most expensive. These cities are evaluated based on housing, food, transportation, lifestyle, and general expenses, offering a glimpse into the diverse living standards across the country. First on the list is Mumbai, India's financial capital. Known for its luxurious lifestyle, Mumbai has high rent, especially in prime areas, along with significant food and transportation costs. While suburban housing might be more affordable, commuting expenses remain a challenge. Next is Delhi, offering a mix of luxury and budget options. Central and upscale neighborhoods like South Delhi are pricey, with expensive real estate and moderate transportation costs. Delhi's diverse lifestyle options cater to a wide range of preferences and budgets. Bengaluru, India's IT hub, ranks third. The demand for upscale housing and services in tech-driven areas like Whitefield and Koramangala contributes to high rents. Although food and utility costs are moderate, frequent outings can escalate living expenses. Chennai, known for its education and healthcare facilities, follows. Key areas like Adyar and Anna Nagar have high real estate costs. Although transportation and food expenses are considerable, suburban neighborhoods offer more moderate living conditions. Pune, with its growing IT sector, ranks fifth. High real estate demand due to proximity to Mumbai and varied entertainment options increase living costs. Areas like Koregaon Park and Viman Nagar are particularly expensive, but other regions offer more affordability. Hyderabad, relatively affordable compared to other eccentric cities, is next. The cost of living is rising in areas like Hi-Tech City and Gachibowli due to IT industry growth. Despite competitive food and transportation costs, rents in these areas are moderately high. Kolkata offers a balanced lifestyle with moderate expenses. While real estate costs are high in select areas like Baliganj and Alipore, the city remains one of the more affordable metros. Transportation and food costs are generally moderate across the city. Ahmedabad is known for its business-friendly environment and affordable living. Moderate rents and low transportation costs make it an attractive option. However, areas like Prahlad Nagar and SG Highway have higher living costs due to increased demand. Jaipur, a popular tourist destination, offers an affordable cost of living. With lower rents and transportation costs, expenses are manageable. Yet, prominent areas like Sea Scheme and Malviya Nagar can see moderate food and lifestyle costs. Finally, Chandigarh is highlighted for its cleanliness and urban planning. The city has moderate real estate and lifestyle costs, but utility rates can be high. Areas like sectors 5, 9, and 17 are more expensive, while other parts of the city are generally affordable. These cities showcase a spectrum of living costs influenced by employment opportunities, real estate demand, and local lifestyle trends. While Mumbai and Delhi are the priciest due to economic significance, cities like Jaipur and Chandigarh provide more budget-friendly living standards. Understanding these dynamics can help potential residents and businesses make informed decisions when considering relocation or investment in these vibrant Indian cities. Each city offers unique opportunities and challenges, making them fascinating places to explore and live. If you like the video, kindly press the like button and do not forget to subscribe for more such informative videos.